Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are returning subscribers, just want to say thank you so much for bearing with me because I know I have been MIA for such a long time, but I have been so busy. If you guys are new subscribers, just want to say hello and welcome to my channel. First and foremost, the reason why I've been quite MIA is because I did start my own business. I am an esthetician, so I do a lot of skin care services. If you guys are in the Covina area, that's where I do all of my services. I'm gonna leave the link down here below or in the bio. That way you guys can go ahead, check out my page and see if you guys want to get a facial done by me. I have about 8 different services. 6 of them are on the face. I have a booty service and a back service as well. So gotta get your body looking right for the summer because summer is among us and is super duper hot. Also, do not mind my fingers. They're super caca. I'm actually getting them done tomorrow. I was in Indio and I don't know what the hell happened that the water there was just deterring my freaking nail polish off and it was sad. Look at these babies. Oh my god. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So again, don't mind my funky nails. This is so disrespectful. Like I said, get them done tomorrow, but let's go ahead and go on with this tutorial. Palette I'm using is a Morphe 15H. It is super duper warm. This palette definitely reminds me of colors that you can use during the fall, autumn, whatever you want to say, but it is so, don't look at the mirror, oh my god. Don't look at the mirror. I already prepped my eyes using the P. Louise base. I use 0 and I think 5 because I lost my other ones. I don't know where they're at. So I just mixed those two babies together. Going in with my Morphe M513 brush, I'm gonna go in with Mixer and Cheers as my transition color. And I'm gonna go ahead and buff this baby throughout my whole entire lid. Going in circular motions. This palette does dust off a lot. Like, you barely tap it and there's already like a sandstorm. I don't know if you guys can see, like, see all this excess powder? So you guys gotta be careful and make sure you guys dust up all the extra unnecessary product. This was the 4th time that I picked up product, just building it until I get the color that I want. I want to add a little bit of burgundy, so I'm going to go on with Snap using my Sephora blending brush. I got this brush years ago, probably like 7 years ago, and it is still working amazingly. So like I said, I'm going to go in Snap, and I'm just hitting this on my crease, blending it onto Mixer and Cheers, and then working it on the side or at the end. I'm also going to hit the inner corner, going back to the middle and taking it to the end. And I'm just going to continue to do that until I get the shade or blend that I desire. Back with Mixer and Cheers. I'm going to blend on top of that because it was getting a little too harsh where I applied Snap and it just wasn't blending as I wanted it to blend. This palette literally creates sandstorms. I like continuously have to blow on my palette because I just feel it's like everywhere. I mean, the pigment, don't get me wrong, is amazing, but damn, there's just a lot of excess product going to waste. Going back with Sand or Snap, haha, Sand. Going back with Snap because I felt like the color was disappearing. We're just gonna continue doing this back and forth thing. All right, now I want to add a little bit more warmth in my outer corners. I'm gonna go in with Manhattan. Oh wait, you know what? Let's do a 5 p.m. and mixing it with Snap. And then I'm just gonna be patting this color just at the corner, adding like a smoky eye. And I am using like some swiping motions. I'm not really going in circular motions. I'm just swiping it, blending it, making it smoky. So see how right here it's kind of looking a little harsh? I'm gonna go back with Mixer and, or Jesus, this is annoying me. Mixer and Cheers. And I'm just gonna blend that right where I applied 5 p.m. and Snap. So this is gonna get corrected, but as you can see right here, I went a little longer comparator right here, but I'll just clean it up when I do my foundation and concealer and all that goodness. But as of right now, I feel like they look quite symmetrical. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use my Tarte concealer. This shade is actually way too dark for me, but whatever. Going in with my Luxie 221, it's a flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, let me tell you, these two eyeballs are not symmetrical. This one is my favorite eye, and this one is actually a lazy eye, and I actually have more meat right here. Just letting you guys know. It's not obvious, but to me it's obvious, and every time I cut my crease, I feel like it's obvious, or whatever. So, okay, we're gonna cut the crease. I'm actually gonna go above my crease line. Pick too much product up. I'm gonna follow my crease. And then I'm gonna blend the product. And my mouth is always open. And I feel like I'm gonna take it, not all the way, but probably like right there. Yeah, that will make me happy. Probably a little more. A tap it. There we go. There we go. There we go. In my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Hot Spot using one side of this concealer brush by BH Cosmetics. I don't even know what number this is. Oh, it's a number 9 by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going with Hot Spot, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner and dragging it to almost the center of my lid. Just like that. And then on the other side, I'm gonna go with Rooftop. And I'm gonna blend that from the center all the way to the very end of where I apply the concealer. And then going back and forth and mixing them where they meet. So there's a nice little blend going on, doesn't look too harsh. And then I'm gonna go back with 5 PM and Snap, and then blend those shades together. And then I'm gonna go back with Rooftop. It's a lot of back and forth, yada yada yada, just so it all blends nicely, you know? This eye look should honestly not take you more than 30 minutes. That's a long time! Maybe if I wasn't recording, it'll probably take me like 15 minutes just for the eye look. If you're going out, make sure you schedule enough time to do this eye look. Okay, so it's obvious that the rest of my face is done only because my camera died. So I was like, wow, my camera's dead. Let me just do my face makeup and let's get on with the video. Going in with a brown eyeliner, I'm just gonna apply that onto my waterline. Going in with my Morphe M422 brush, I'm gonna go in with, let's do Snap. And I'm gonna apply that underneath my waterline and blending that kind of downwards. And then I'm gonna go in with Bottoms Up. It's more like an orangey shade, and I'm gonna press that towards my inner corner and swiping it towards Snap. That way it gives like a kind of like orange to reddish ombre effect. Going in with Hot Spot, I'm gonna apply this product on the arch of my brow. And I didn't apply any product onto the brush, I'm just blending it. Using my all-time favorite mascara, this is by BACKKKK Cosmetics. I absolutely love this mascara. This is probably my 3rd time purchasing this. The first time I got it for free from BoxyCharm, and then I bought it 3 more times, and this is like my holy grail. I love how dark it makes my lashes look, especially for my lower lashes. Like I literally have to just apply it twice and it is amazing. And it doesn't leave your lashes clumpy either, but it definitely leaves them super dark. For this look, you can always add a nice wing liner, or you can always add some glitter right here, but I didn't want to take it too far. I didn't want to look too dramatica, even though I really should have. But just a suggestion, just in case you guys want to add a little something extra. So to end this look, I went ahead and added my very own lashes. These are in Tease. My lash brand is Everyday Lashes by Mila. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial that I did, and hopefully it was super duper easy, because to me it felt easy, but you just never know. Anyways, hope to see you guys next time. Bye!